Hi, I'm Emily Platt from the Wellspire Investment Team, and welcome back to another edition of Markets in 2 Minutes. Today, let's talk about what's going on in the housing market. To start, mortgage rates have skyrocketed, but surprisingly, it's had virtually no impact on the housing market so far. The reason being that the average consumer with a mortgage is still paying a relatively low effective rate of around 3.8%. However, for those trying to get a new mortgage, rates near 7% are a tough sell. Existing home sales have plunged to levels not seen since the '08 financial crisis. Understandably, homeowners locked into a 3.5% rate are staying put rather than move and take out a new mortgage at double the cost. This is the reason why interest rate policy hasn't been as restrictive for those already in their homes. One of the issues we're seeing is that new home construction has slowed down significantly as builders pulled back in 2022 due to rising rates and uncertainty around demand. Housing starts are now trending lower, exacerbating the supply shortages we've been facing for over a decade. Estimates suggest that the US needs 1.7 to 2 million new homes annually to cover population growth, replacements, and second homes, yet we've averaged just 1.2 million over the last 20 years. To combat this, builders are rethinking home sizes and shrinking footprints to increase affordability. But even with these efforts, affordability remains a challenge, especially for first-time home buyers. The monthly payment on a median priced home has jumped from around $1,200 to nearly $2,000 in just a few years, requiring a qualifying income of 60% higher than that of what we saw in 2021. We've undersupplied by around 500,000 homes annually for 10 to 15 years. Residential investment contribution to GDP is just getting back to normal levels after hitting record lows post-financial crisis. With the housing supply shortage persisting, we could see residential investment continue bolstering overall economic growth for potentially 5 to 10 more years as we play catch up. So while the housing market faces affordability headwinds, the supply dynamics may provide a strong economic tailwind in years ahead. With that, thank you for listening to this month's Markets in 2 Minutes.